Hi guys, welcome to Powertech Insight. In this video, I'll show you how to safely install a drain earth during the annual maintenance of this 110 kV to 11 kV 70 MVA power transformer. So basically, this is a critical step to ensure the safety of personnel and equipment during the maintenance of this transformer. So first of all, the question is raised: why do we need this drain earth? Basically, during the maintenance, the transformer must be fully isolated from the source of any power. But as you know, that residual or induced voltage can still in the system. Drain earth provides a secure path for any trapped charge or static electricity, ensuring the equipment is safely at. So to do this one, so we must need a proper full PP like a face shield, HV gloves, so insulated boots and the discharge rod. So before starting, please always follow your site safety procedure like a lockout, tagout system and PTW system. Always check for residual voltage with an approved tester before and after. To check proof that, please check my video, last video, so where I show you how can we check the proof that the system. So I put a link in this video, end of this video, so you can watch over there. So here's this is SLD. It's a typical SLD for this transformer. So here I'm gonna tell you step by step how we're gonna isolate this transformer and ready to be applied for this drain earth. So first of all, so we start from 11 kV side. So 11 kV side, we have to switch 11 kV BCB switch to off. This is the terminology we need to use. A second step is 110 kV QA1 VCB switch to off. And next step, now we're gonna go to the again 11 kV side. So there's a isolator, that isolator switch to off. And the next step is we're gonna go and we need to isolate from this transformer from 110 kV side. So at 110 kV side, uh, so 11 kV isolator switch to off. So next, we're gonna start earthing both side. So first of all, we're gonna earth from the 110 kV. So 110 kV earth switch to on. Basically, we're turning on this switch to earth on. And the next one is now we need to earth from the 11 kV side. So we're gonna go, as you can see here, 11 kV earth switch to on. So the next step is now as we isolate this transformer from both sides. So the next step is very critical. We need to prove this transformer dead before we do any activity. And please always remember that we use one rule: test before touch. So to do this one, we need to prove dead on both sides of the transformer. To watch how we do prove that, as I mentioned previously, I made another video, so where you can watch how we can prove that this transformer. After proving that this transformer, now we can apply uh, drain earth. Basically, mostly we apply the drain earth near the point where we're gonna work. So let's watch the video how we gonna do this one, apply the drain earth. Hi guys, so now today we are going to put drain earth on this 70 MVA transformer. It is 33 11 kV to 110 kV. So as we can see, it is already been isolated. So now we're going to put a drain earth. So this is the equipment we are going to use. So you see this one, there's a lock inside. So where we're gonna go? We're gonna put inside this one, and we're gonna move. You see the red line? Now it's mean right now it's clump. So this is gonna be in the wire gonna be inside the conductor. So now you will see we're gonna attach with that one on that line. You can see, yeah. we go. You have to hook up on that one. Here we see it is hooked up. Now you got to tighten it. We need to make sure it's tight fully, and now we got to push inside, bit inside, upward. And if you see, if I can show you, so there is a sign, the white sign. Make sure we need to pull it tight more, little bit more. Yeah. Now now we have to push inside, upper side. Yeah. Then anti-clockwise maybe. Yeah. You see, it's coming. Let me see. So you see, we have applied this earth here. It is here. One is here. L1, L2, L3. Now we have installed the other one also. So this is the way we can apply drain earth. So we make sure first we hook up this one. Okay. Then we have to put on that stick, which we have, and then we have to put it on that L1. That's L2. So you can see that one. Here we have applied. We've got to make sure that it should be solid earth. You see solid earth is going to the ground. Yeah, this is L3. You can see. And this is there on top. So this is a 11 kV to 110 kV 70 MVA transformer. Yeah guys,